Hey guys, Technomentary here today to show you guys how to factory reset your iPhone X or the iPhone XS or any of the newer iPhones that you have. So this method should work on most phones. First thing you want to do is go into settings, and then midway down you'll see general, and then after you get into general, go all the way down to the reset option. You want to click on reset, and as you can see, you want to select the second option that says erase all content and settings. So this will erase everything and reset the phone to factory setting. Before you do that, because you'll lose all of your data, you want to make sure that you back up your phone if you want to keep your existing data and setting for a new device. Also, you want to make sure you log out of your iCloud account before you do this reset, or the phone will be iCloud locked, meaning you'll need to put in your password to kind of get it activated again. So we'll go ahead and select the second option here. It'll kind of prompt us to say, do you want to erase everything? So we'll hit yes, and then kind of a second warning before it does everything, because this can't be undone. So make sure you back up your data through iTunes by plugging it into a computer before you actually select this if you want to keep your data. And then we'll go ahead and click erase the iPhone, and you'll see in a second it should the Apple logo should appear, which kicks off resetting of the device to factory setting. Once you do that, you will not be able to go back. So make sure you do back up your device. So it usually takes a couple minutes sometimes, depending on how much data you had on your phone. So if you had tons of photos and videos and apps, it will take a bit longer than if the phone didn't have anything, because of the amount of data it needs to erase. So hopefully this video helps. If this video helps, please give this video a thumbs up, and we would really appreciate it if you can hit the subscribe button to kind of help us grow on YouTube and to make these awesome tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.